Rubbish, aren't they? Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So we've been over Hamsterley Forest today, bit of off-piste, bit of black route. So the off-piste we did Beehives, excellent trail, straight, loads of routes, quite technical. It's one of the best ones in Hamsterley, I think. And then from there we made our way over the valley, down the other side. We did transmission, Accelerator and Nitros. I'm racing that trail in a couple of weeks. First time I've had a race in like 7 years. So I thought I'd try and get it on video, either to help me and if anybody else is racing it, just so you can have a quick look at it as well. It's a bit of fun at the end of the day, isn't it? So remember, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description. Leave a comment. It's always good to hear what you actually have to say. In the meantime, I'll see you on the trails. Enjoy your rides. So I'll go first. Let's have a go. Ready, steady. Sausages. Loads of routes, lots of different lines you can go. Some of the routes can take you out. Loads of fun though. Ooh, deep. Ride it. You can hit it fast, it's pretty cool. Trail comes in from the left hand side here. Don't leave a man behind. Ooh, a little gully. Loads of routes again. All right. Enjoy your falls. Enjoy your falls. You all right? Yeah. Sure? Yeah, I'm alright. Give it one of them. We'll try that one again, eh? Yeah, I think it's best. Yeah, we'll try that one again. Oh, see and start. Pop off that drop. Yes, all the way. What a trail off the drop. Woo! Oh, he's gone again! He's gone again! Watch out for that tree. Watch out for that tree. Twice on one trail. Enjoy your falls. Oh, that was loads of fun. Messed up a couple of times there, didn't you, John Joe? Certainly did. Rubbish, aren't they? Yeah. It didn't hurt. Didn't hurt this time. So there you go. On to the next one. this is transmission. Racing this in a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd put it in. It'll jump here, land flat. Oh, another jump into the transition. Woo! Get up there! Another tabletop! Woohoo! Our brother's somewhere behind me. Lots of drops. It's a fun track, this. Be a bit naughty though. Whoa. This is the bottom of Nitros. No, it's not. It's the bottom of the transmission. Quite flat here. Winds through the woods. Get a little bit of speed up. Straight into this one. Accelerator. Enjoy your rides, bro. Enjoy your ride. Good trail, this one. Do like it. Can't gain much speed. Sorry, can't get much time. You can certainly lose it. Guys, enjoy your rides. So this is Nitros, guys. Slow down a bit here. That's a naughty jump. Left. Nitros. Try and keep high in the berms. A little bit of a rock corner here. Wow! Oh, it gets dark in the trees. I don't like this bit. Across them rocks. Horrible. Go straight on a little bit to the left. And out.